Well, I hope you guys had a good 4th of July. I definitely did. And temperatures for most of the Midwest are 6 to 12 degrees above normal. In Minnesota, the whole state was 12 degrees above normal, so a pretty warm July. But in Ohio and Michigan around Detroit, it was actually right about normal. So not above normal for all of the state, but definitely above normal for most of the Midwest. It's been pretty rainy today, too. We saw quite a bit of rain in Minnesota and that area. Minneapolis, it was kind of a sudden storm. It didn't last long for Minneapolis, but the northern part of the state did get quite a bit. And also in Iowa and Wisconsin and Michigan, there was strong storms, too. So, yeah, it's been a pretty rainy day, and there hasn't been too much. The most has been 1.5 inches, or at least that's what I've seen. And they have a high pressure system coming in, so it's going to be cooler than normal temperatures. And yeah, that's going to make it cooler than normal. Well, not that much. It's actually going to be right about normal tomorrow for most of the Midwest, but today it is below normal by a few degrees. And yeah, it's going to be below normal by 2 to 6 degrees for big chunk of Wisconsin and part of Minnesota, but most of the Midwest will be normal. And in fact, North Dakota and South Dakota and Nebraska even are going to be above normal. Parts of North Dakota will be above normal by 6 degrees, so there's just a little area of the Midwest where it is colder than normal, and that's Minnesota and Wisconsin. Anyway, on Monday we could see storms, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, and Michigan around Detroit, where there could be some heavy storms there on that area. But otherwise, it looks pretty dry in Minnesota, Wisconsin. But in Iowa, there are going to be some sprinkles, but it shouldn't have a lot of rain. And then North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, some storms, and maybe heavy ones in Nebraska. And even in Wisconsin, southern part of Wisconsin, we could see storms. The only state that will be pretty dry Monday is Minnesota. Otherwise, most Midwest is going to be pretty rainy. Anyway, it's going to be a colder and wetter weekend ahead of us. So, yeah. But anyway, temperatures today for Minneapolis, high of 84 with thunderstorms, and a low of 66 with maybe some more thunderstorms. Milwaukee, high of 91, and heavy storms tonight that could leave a 1/4 of an inch, but that's not too much, and a low of 72 in Milwaukee. North Dakota, high of 75 and sunny, so pretty nice there. Low of 58, and that's just about normal for North Dakota. And in South Dakota, basically the same thing, a little warmer and maybe some showers there. Iowa, high of 80 and a low of 70 with severe thunderstorms. That's where the worst of the storms is in Iowa. Also, I had to use this app to find Iowa. Nebraska, high of 77 and a low of 65. Partly cloudy and no thunderstorms there. And in Indiana, air quality alert for Indiana due to the wildfires. Tonight, low of 73 and pretty nice, no clouds. So, yeah, that area, like I said, won't see much rain. So, yeah. Ohio, tonight, low of 68, partly cloudy. Once again, no rain there. That's the area that has been pretty nice lately. And just about normal for that area. Michigan, tonight, 74, partly cloudy, and not air quality alert for there. So, the air is not good in Indiana. Wait, did I say Indiana? I meant to say Michigan. The quality is not good there. Chicago, Illinois, thunderstorms tonight, low of 76, and a small craft advisory. So yeah, really rainy and thunderstormy there. Kansas City, showers and thunderstorms likely there, or thunder showers maybe, and low of 74, which is a little bit above normal, I think, for the nighttime there. And Kansas City and Kansas, same exact thing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I will be making more weather videos like this, and we'll be talking about more stuff, and plan to make my next one tomorrow or the day after. Anyways, bye, and yeah, have a good night.